Hi girls, welcome today. Today in the additional we have two Sudokus left. Yes, in this additional of Friday, yes, still Friday, November the 6th, 2020. Two Sudokus left, a binary and a tectonic. And I know girls, you like binaries. All the girls like binaries. And this one, yes, this one will be number 1852. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8x8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here and O, there and O, 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 double O, here and one, there and one, double O, here and one, there and one, double O, here and one, there and one, double one, here and O, there and O, double O, here and one, there and one. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, and O there, and O. Between two ones comes an O. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1. So the rest are O's. Between two ones comes an O. And then I need to compare. I think no 1, 2, 3, 4 O. So the rest are ones. Double one here and O there and O. 101. Yes, I need to compare now. This row and that row. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 empty box 0 0. So I need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have a O there. This should be a 1. Double. We have now 4 O's in this column. So the rest are 1s. We have now 4 1s in the first row, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's in the second column, so the rest are 1s. We have here 4 O's in the last column, so the rest are 1s. We have in the second row 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Then we need to compare. Yes. 011. Do we have 011? 001? Yes. This column and the last column. 00111 00011 empty box. So we need to switch those two numbers. We have an O here, so this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, and O there, and O. Then need to compare again. Let me see. Double. Do we have here double O? Yes. Can you see the first column and this column? Yes. 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 empty box, empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. With a 1 here, this should be an O. With a O there, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O. So the rest are ones. Double 1 here and O there and O. Yes! Finish in 5 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. A lot of comparing. Yes. 3 times to compare. I like this Sudoku. I like this binary. Special for you, girls. You can also download this binary if you like. The PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you very soon with the last Sudoku, a tectonic with 3 stars. Alright, thank you, and bye bye for now.